Hello, welcome back to the CAT 2017 QA Slot 1 series. So in today's video, I will be solving question 6 to question 10, and before watching the solution, try attempting the question yourself first, guys. So let's begin. If a seller gives a discount of 15% on retail price, okay, retail price is basically the MRP, okay guys, or the mark price MP, C still makes a profit of 2%. Which of the following ensures that C makes a profit of 20%? So our goal is to make a profit of 20%, okay? And the seller gives a discount of 15% the retail price. So suppose the retail price, which is also known as the mark price, okay? So retail price or the mark price, let's say it is 100x. So seller is giving 15% discount. So what will be the selling price? Selling price will be 85x, right? 15% is the discount. So 15% of 100x is 15x. So the selling price is 85x, and she is making a profit of 20%, right? So not 20%, 2%, right? So I can say 102 by 100 times CP is equal to 85x, right? Since I'm making 2% profit, that means what? CP into 1.02 or 102% of CP would be the selling price, right? So this will become CP equal to 50 by 102. What is 102? It will become 51 into 85x. This is the cost price of the article. Which of the following ensure that C makes a profit of 20%? Now, this is the cost price. I need to make a profit of 20%. That means selling price will be 120% of the cost price. Cost price is 50 by 51 into 85x, right? So this one and this one got cancelled, this and this got cancelled, so I am left with, is this divisible by 3? Not, right? 17, is this divisible by 17? 3 17 34 44, yes, 17, and 17 into 5, 50 and 30, yeah, 17 into 3, 17 into 5, this and this got cancelled, 20. So I am getting 100x, right? Selling price should be 100x. That means what? Give a discount of 5%. If I sell at 100x, yeah, sell at retail price is 100x. Clearly we don't have to check these three options. Clearly we do not need to check A, B, C. Directly mark option D. Why? See, I have considered the mark price as, or the retail price as 100x. So initial selling price was 85x. The cost price is, I have calculated like this, okay? No need to calculate the entire thing. Now since I'm making a profit of 20%, so the selling price will be 120% of the cost price, right? So after solving this, I'm getting it as 100x, and 100x is basically the retail price, so you have to sell it the retail price. So answer will be option D. Let's move on to the next question. A man travels by a motorboat down a river to his office and back. So let's say this is his, let's say, home, and this is his office. So he's going like this, and then again coming back with the speed of the river unchanged. Okay, if he doubles the speed of his motorboat, then his total travel time gets reduced by 75%. The ratio of the original speed of the motorboat to that of the river. Okay, all right. This is a time, speed, and distance question, and under time, speed, and distance, there is a topic called boats and streams, or rivers and streams. No, not rivers and streams, boats and streams. Okay, so the man is traveling by a motorboat down a river to his office. So let's say downstream is this side. That means this is upstream. Let's say speed of river is small r, and then initial speed of boat, initial speed of boat is equal to b, and final speed of boat is equal to 2b. because he is doubling the speed of his motorboat. Now, what is the total time? We are told that the total travel time gets reduced. What is the initial total travel time? Initial travel time total. Okay, initial total travel time. What will be this? A distance, let's say it is d. So distance by speed. Speed will be speed of boat plus speed of river, because while going he is going downstream, right? Downstream means he is moving along the direction of the flow of the water, right? He is also moving like this, water is also moving, so b plus r. While coming back he is moving upstream, so it will be b minus r. Final total travel time, distance is same, 2b plus r minus d by 2b minus r. Now we are told that when he increases his speed by 2 times, no, when he doubles his speed, right? So the total time gets reduced by 75%. That means 25% of initial travel time. This will be plus, okay guys, this will be plus initial travel time b minus r will be equal to the new travel time 2b plus r plus, right? Because he's reducing, his total time gets reduced by 75%. That means 25% of the original time. This is basically d by 4. This can be written as b square minus r square. So if I add this 2, I will have 2b. I can write d again b square, so it will become 4b square minus r square, 4b. Just taking the LCM, okay guys, taking the LCM and then adding. So d cancelled, b cancelled, so this 2 and this 4 gets cancelled, so 4b square minus r square, right? 4b square minus r square is equal to 8b square minus 8r square. From here b square will become 4b square is equal to 7r square, right? 7r square, 4b square. I have to find the ratio of the original speed, that means b, to the speed of the river. So I have to find b by r. Okay, this is 4. So b by r is equal to 7 by 4 under root. So 7 by root 7 by 2. So the correct answer is option B. So the concept is basically in downstream, while going downstream, speed of the boat will be speed of the boat in still water. Okay, initial speed of boat in still water. Please remember guys. This B speed is the speed of the river boat in still water. And since he is moving in the river and the river current will have some current, speed of the current is r. That is why I am adding b and r in downstream, and in upstream I am subtracting them. Okay, let's move on to the third question. Suppose C1 to C5 are 5 companies. The profits made by C1, C2, C3 are given. Their ratio are given basically, while the profit was C2, C4 are in the ratio. Okay, this is a very simple question from ratio combining. So C1 is to C2 is to C3 is to C4 is to C5. C1, C2, C3 is 9, 10, 8. 9, 10, 8. C2, C4. C2 is your 18. Then C4 is 19. And C5 is your 20. So this is common, right? 90. So what is the LCM of 10 and 18? It should be 90, I guess. Yeah, 90. So 90. So I am multiplying this by 9. 72, and I'm multiplying this by 5. So 50 and 45, 95, 100. So I have combined their profits. If C5 has made a profit of 19, So 100, okay, 100 stands for 19 CR. Achha, 19 crore more than C1, right? So here, what is the difference? 19 is the difference. 19 stands for 19 CR, right? Then the total profit made by all the 5 companies. So just add them. So what will be 1? 1 will be 1 CR. So 81 plus yeah, 90, 98, 160, 170, right? 170 plus 70 is your 240. 240 plus 100 is 340. 340 plus 100 is 440, right? 435, 436. Am I doing some calculation mistake? So 5, 6, 7, 8. I should have 8, and I already have 4. So answer will be option A, guys. See, the unit digit is 1, 2, 3, and then 5. So 8. Unit digit will have 8. And I already have 1, 2, 3. These are very close to 300. So it will be more than 300 something. Okay. You can add them. 80, 80, 160, 170. 170 plus 70 is your 240. 240 plus 200 is 440. So yeah, around 440 to 430. So answer will be option A. Very simple question. Let's move on to the fourth question. The number of girls appearing for an admission test is twice the number of boys. Alright. If 30% of the girls and 45% of the boys get admission, the percentage of candidates who do not get admission is. Okay. So let me say that girls are 100x, boys are, so what will be the boys? Boys, so let's say this is 200. So this is 100x, right? Twice of the boys. 30% of the girls means 30% of 100 is 30. So this will be 60x. They got admission. So 140x did not get admission. No admission. Similarly, in boys, 45% of the boys. So it will be 45x got admission. So 55x did not get admission. No admission. So how many students did not get admission? 140 plus 50, 190. So 195 students did not get admission. Percentage of candidates. So what is the total number of candidates? 300x. Very simple question, guys. Very simple. X and X will get cancelled. So 3 into 6 is 18 to 65. 65%. Option D. Let's move on to the last question for today's session. Stall sells popcorn and chips in packets of 3 sizes: large, small, super, and jumper. Okay. The numbers of large, super, and jumbo packets in stocks are, for popcorn it is different, and for chips it is 6 is to 15. All right, understood. So let's say I have large, I have super, I have jumbo, and I have popcorn, and I have chips. So what is the ratio for popcorn? 7, 17, 16. Let me denote them as, let's say they have this much quantity. For chips it is 6y, 15y, and 14y. Let's say if the total number of popcorn packets in its stock is the same as that of the chips packet, what is the total? What is the total? This is 24, so 40x, correct? And this is basically 20, 30, 35, right? 35y. We are told that 40x equal to 35y. I can say x by y equal to 7 by 8. Then a number of then a numbers of jumbo popcorn packets and jumbo chips packets, right? Jumbo popcorn packet and jumbo chips packet. So jumbo is this one. Okay, so I have to find ratio, right? So 16x jumbo popcorn packets Jumbo chips packet is 14y. So 8 by 7, right, into x by y, 7 by 8 is equal to 1:1. Very simple, guys, very simple question. So, all right, guys, that's it for slot 1, question 6 to question 10. And to solve all the CAT 2017 quant questions with step-by-step concept solution, check out the playlist that I have created and where I have included the link, and I will also include the link in the description of this video, for which will guide you to the next video. Alright guys, and please do not forget to subscribe so that you do not miss any upcoming videos in this series, and do hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you guys.